description.
Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, or on them, I guess. The one I'm doing today came from a Nakama Noodles subscription box, which don't exist anymore. However, you can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowmall.com, and check out the ramen they have there. Good stuff. This is a 3-cheese white chicken broth cup noodle from Japan. What's interesting about a lot of these that come from subscription boxes, usually the cup noodles on the bottom cellophane have a little tab that holds down the lid. And so often I don't even see those. But here's our, as you can see, there's so much more junk in these than the really cheap ones here. And we got this, I think. It's like a powder seasoning. So anyways, here we go. We're dumping in boiling water, and we're gonna let it do its magic for 3 minutes. And that's fun. If you like having fun, that is. And I know that you do. So 3 minutes. So speaking of fun, my daughter had her practice yesterday. She did fine with that. And I got a soccer ball, and me and my boy went and kicked it around a bit, and that was fun. And tonight, he's got a, you know, when you were in school, and then there was the musical program, everybody had to do, like, stand up in front of stuff and do things and sing songs. Yeah, he's got that. He's in 4th grade. It's like, yeah. It's like, go ahead. You just got to be there. You can mouth the words. It doesn't matter. But he was telling my wife last night, just like, she was asking, are you excited about it? He's like, yeah, there's a song I really like. He likes the song Lean On Me. And what's funny is that he's like, yeah, I really like Bill Withers. I'm like thinking, okay, I wouldn't have remembered that that's the name of the guy. I mean, he's doing this for his music class, so I get it. You know, of course he knows the name of the guy who wrote it and blah, blah, blah. But are there any other songs that guy did? It's like the whole one-hit wonder thing is a real trip to me, because it's like, is there more? Did you do more? Is that all that there is? This is hydrating very nicely. I keep these plastic cups because they are perfect size for doing this, and then I can just throw them in the dishwasher. And like, obviously I can't put them in this cup. There's a lot of cups and bowls that they've almost kind of like that got an insulated outer cardboard layer, and I can just like peel those off, and then I've got the inner bowl and I can use that. And that's what I'll be doing on that's what I did with the next one you'll see. But I'm not expecting this to be a showstopper. All these cheese variety ones. Marchand has their Kuta range, and they've got like creamy cheese, they've got extra cheese. It's just like, and then they have carbonaras. I'm sorry, but if you really want a nice carbonara flavored thing, it's gonna take. I really haven't found a lot of them, or really even true to being carbonara. You know what I think is where it's at is bolognese. And if you can get a cup noodle bolognese that has a nice ground beef bits in it, I think that would be a good one. I would really like to see us go away from carbonara and embrace the bolognese. I would. So I'm going to look at this. I don't know if this is going to be a sprank on top or not. But I think this is the 3 cheese. It's a cheese, all right. Now let's look at the thing. Does it show it sprinkled on? No picture of the product. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm pouring it in. All right. So now the extra triple cheese. I hear one of them is Emmental. Yeah. So, yeah, that's a thing. All right. Here is our cup noodle product with bits. What is this bit? There is a bit. Egg. There's more cube looking things around. That's more egg. Thought I saw cube-like dealies. Well, a cube-like dealie, and I'm gonna guess this is chicken. Yeah. Not 100% hydrated. Noodle. Thin, flat, about what you'd expect. In our broth. I don't know, folks. It's like they keep coming out with these kind of cup noodles that are like, it's a thing. You know? I want a little more than a thing, you know? It's like, okay, you came out with this new one. It's like that. It's not bad. But it doesn't make the animals sing. It doesn't make the children of the world sing. I don't know, maybe it does, but I think it'd be nice if we could see the broth, though. Because that's supposed to be the showcase of the deal, that it's a white chicken broth. What about a black bone chicken broth? Huh? Oh, wait, that was on the bottom 10 for years. Black bone chicken noodle. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna get these bits over here. And I have an egg that I want to use with this. I'll be honest. I don't... Hey. Okay. I've got eggs. They need to be used. I want to make more. Well, I don't personally make them, but you know what I mean. Scallion. Yeah, if I don't use my eggs quick enough, they just end up getting way too dark. And that's no bueno. Ooh, look at that yolk, though. Wow. You get what you pay for, folks. Don't whine about expensive eggs when you're buying the pricey good ones. I mean, if you're buying, like, store-brand garbage, yeah, I would be ticked. But, that is nice egg. Seeds? Why not? Ooh, I got a thing coming in the mail today. I ordered pepper threads. Kind of that pubic hair looking stuff you see on ramen. Yeah. I'm hoping that the amount that I spent on Amazon for it was worth it, and it's like more than a week's worth. Ooh. If it's right there, I'll use it. It's right there. I've got some oil, some chili oil, and I think that sounds like a nice thing to do. I guess. Oh. Anyways, let's let Rotato do its thing, and yeah. Alright, well there's that, and the next one you're gonna see is this. Found this over at S-Mart. That's right, Shop Smart. Shop S-Mart. This is Surasong 88 Salt Rapaki. And it's really not hard to find the tteokbokki variety, but this one has ramyun and tteokbokki. So, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.